It's the Texas weather discussion video for Friday, the 3rd of November. I'm Donovan Neal. We still continue to trend warmer for the next couple of days, but another cold front comes through by early next week, which should drop temperatures back to where they should be for early November. So let's check it out. Here's the water vapor satellite view. We still continue with zonal flow aloft in much of central and northern Texas. We still a new trough emerges from the northeast. From the northwest, and down here things remain pretty mild this morning. Arlington in the 60s, mainly the metropolitan areas in the 60s. Some areas are in the low 50s in some spots. And notice how we're actually trending cooler, so way cooler from yesterday. That's because we have a surface front that's basically stalled in North Texas. That's basically stalled right now in North Texas, and the temperatures are expected to only warm to the mid-70s as a result of that. But that surface front lifts off by tomorrow, and we should continue with way above average weather. Watch warning map. Things are pretty quiet across the nation this morning. Up on the convective outlooks, we have a marginal risk for the lower Mississippi Valley. Surrounding that, a risk for thunderstorms, but no organized severe weather is expected. Tomorrow, a risk for thunder for the eastern sector of the U.S., but no organized severe weather is expected. But on day 3, how about an enhanced risk for severe weather for parts of Springfield, for areas like Springfield, Illinois, Indianapolis, but just that Midwest vicinity region, where all modes of severe weather seem possible on Sunday. More details to come. Average rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Friday of next week. This is suggesting about 1/4 of an inch of rain for much of North Texas. And again, your rain amounts could vary. And again, that's anything that we potentially see on Tuesday and Wednesday with that other cold front coming through. In the tropics, quiet as a mouse, no new tropical storms expected during the next 5 days. So let's go with the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. At 500 millibars, we still continue in a flat ridge, and down here things remain pretty quiet. Should be another pleasant day today, with highs in the mid-70s with abundant sunshine. It should be very comfortable for high school football games today. So go out to the weekend. This is Saturday. It'll feel a little like a summer day this weekend, with abundant sunshine and with highs in the mid to upper 80s. We don't quite reach in the 90s, but it should feel a little more like a summer day. Again, with lows in the mid to upper 60s as well. Same thing on Sunday, and let's go out to Monday of next week. It still kind of feels like a spring summer day. Again, with abundant sunshine, highs in the mid 80s this time, and lows are still in the mid 60s. Tuesday, a cold front comes through. A cold front comes through throughout the day. We only warm to the upper 70s as a result of that. Lows back off to the low 50s. Let's go out to Wednesday. Let's go out to Wednesday of next week. Cold front makes its way through the region, and as a result, we are in a much cooler air mass. We're in a much cooler air mass with mostly cloudy skies, highs in the lower 60s, and we may have 40s as lows again. Wow. And additionally, we may even have a chance of scattered showers and storms throughout the day on Wednesday, which would be nice if that were to verify. Thursday, we trend drier, but highs still remain in the low 60s. Here's a week from the day, Friday the 10th. We still remain in a flat ridge. Heights are starting to come down, and that remains pretty dry, with highs still in the low 70s. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, the 12th of November. We still have some ridging here for much of the central and eastern part of the United States, and things remain pretty quiet as a result of that. Numbers for the next numbers for the next 10 days, we still trend warmer for the next couple of days, but then we start to warm down by Tuesday as a cold front comes throughout the day, and the Wednesday should be the warmest day thus far, and really after that, it should fall-like weather should continue. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes on the blog. My next video should be posted at around 7 a.m. on Monday morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and Godspeed.